Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I'm featuring another quick and easy card. I'm going to be doing a card set featuring hedgehogs because I haven't really used it much. But anyway, I want to use this guy and again the little high there because I think like you could go for any occasion. But there's really other cool sentiments on this one. So anyway, for this one, I have already die cut everything. My card base is Whisper White, and this one is 8.5 by 5.5, which, as always, I'm going to be folding it in half. And here we go. Alright, using bone folder. Then I have a piece of lemon lime twist, and this one is this one goes that way. This one is 5 1/4 by 4, and so I'm gonna go ahead and glue this one right in the center. All right. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna be taking this side. Yep, this side looks better. Alright, and then I have a piece of design series paper, and this one is Eastern, let me see what it is, Eastern Palace, and this is the one that has the bright colors. And some of the sheets of paper from this collection has gold foil, so definitely it's a good pack to have, and I love that it has bright colors. So anyway, so I'm going to be putting this one right here. So let's just go ahead and glue that. And we're going to be putting it about there. And then I have a piece of the glimmer paper, the one that comes with the magic and myth, or oh my goodness, let me just grab it real quick for you. This is myths and magic, and this is the one that has the green, the blue, and this iridescent color, this one goes really well with Bermuda Bay, and I feel like this one goes really well with the lemon lime twist. And of course, this is one of my favorites. So we're going to be using that, and as usual I'm just going to be doing a flag, which you can use the triple banner punch, or you can just do the same as I did, just do a little cut in the half and then go point to point, which this one will go that way, then this one will go here, and we're going to be putting this one right there. So let's just go do the stamping. So for this one, I'm going to be doing the little hedgehogs in soft suede. Just need to make sure it's well inked. And I'm just going to do it like so. I normally like to buy the clear mounted rather than wood mounted, just because I don't really see where the image is. So there we go. But I think I did good here. And then I want to do the sentiment in the Dapper Denim, which matches this color. So let's just go from there. And we're just going to go ahead and put it here. Hi there. I love it. So anyway, the next thing that I'm going to be doing is putting some chicks in this little guy, and I'm using the light pink Pirate, and I'm just going to put some chicks on this guy. And you know what, I probably will add a little bit of the shadow, kind of like with the pandas. You know how I do my little pandas, I always do a little shadow. So I'm going to be using the light crumb cake, And again, I'm not going to be doing any blending, but I'm just going to be putting a little bit of shadowing here, like maybe here, here, and here. And then here. There we go. So not much really, because I don't want to spend a lot of time coloring it. And then I figure I'll put this like if it were a little leaf or something that he has in his hand. I didn't want to add colors just because I'm only having blues and greens on this one, and I felt like already having the brown was kind of weird, but I feel like it looks really nice, don't you think? So let's go ahead and assemble everything. So for this one, we're gonna go ahead and put it like so. Yes, so we're gonna put it like so. Then I'm gonna be doing the same thing here. And I'm going to be putting dimensionals on this one. I feel like that one needs some dimensionals. So, let's go ahead and put some dimensionals. Alright, so I just peel them off. And here we go. So here it is. Hope you have liked it. If you do like the video, subscribe to my channel. And also you can see more details in my blog at creatingwithali.com. And where I have all the products that I use with the links to my online store. And also you can see all the links as well on the description of this video. So anyway, thank you so much and hope you have enjoyed it. Bye.